these systems. So that's what they have in the current system. And really, if you think about it,
this is just a few hours before the storm. It's gonna hit the land in probably category 4. And I'm just getting my house protected, the windows and everything. I hope to get my house back and all secure for the next season for fishing. I'm wishing the best for this place and these turtles are not dead. They're just sleeping, waiting for the right moment to walk to the sea. They just hatched a few hours before the Delta storm, so we needed to release them, otherwise they would have died in the hatching area. We were so happy to see him just walking towards the water and swim away. Go. I have a partner with me, my friend. You'll see right there. Vamos, Corcho. I just found out that I lost the fly because I put all my flies that I use the most right here. So the fly I supposed to use today, he fell off the cord somewhere. I don't know, but I have this one too. This is very similar, but this thing is a little bit skinnier body, so it's different. The other one is very bulky and buggy, so it makes it more interesting for permit, but this one works as well. So I'm gonna go out there and try to catch some baby permit. We haven't seen the fly yet. I got it! I got it! Woo! Definitely this is a permit or barjack. All the footage I copied before of this fish is foggy. The lead of the camera so bad. Gets foggy in between the lens and the other lens. Very weird. I hate it. Honestly, I hate the camera. I mean the lead in the front. It's really bad. But look, I caught this fish. Barjack. I don't know, maybe you can see the color. I'm gonna turn the camera to the other side. Look at this beautiful bar, light blue bar. Well, I'm just gonna release this fish. It's so nice. I should take it to eat it, but no, this fish is going back to the ocean. Oh, I forgot to record the release, but it's going away right now. Well, look at this. This is the fly I was casting. It's like a matte shrimp, very similar color I tie, like the one I tied before in the last video. This is unbelievable. Look at this snapper. Look at that snapper. I have a ladyfish on right now. Look at this, guys. Ooh, it's a big fish. This is a ladyfish. Right there. Little massage here. Ready to go. Good ladyfish. Nice. Oops. This is the second one, guys. Look, this is so pretty. The release time. Here, this is a ladyfish on the same fly pattern you see here. It's big. Releasing time. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. This is the end. Already got sunburn in my face. A lot of reflection in the water right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Took a while. A lot of like early mornings, you know. Okay, I don't want to make this video longer than it is. Just want to say thank you to all the people that support the channel, all the subscribers, all the people around the world in different countries that always comment below, and thank you so much to every single one. Quiero mandar un saludo a los chicos de Puerto Rico también, que me siguen en el canal, siempre están pendientes de los videos. Muchas gracias, chicos, y el grupo de pesca de Puerto Rico, muchas gracias. Cheo y muchos más que están ahí, muchísimas gracias. Gracias por ver mis videos y me da mucho gusto que sean de inspiración para ustedes. So, guys, bye. Thank you so much. I can basically catch one of those ladyfish in one hand. Look at this. Cast, strip, 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 strip. Cast, strip, 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 strip. There it is. Cast, strip, 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 strip. Go. I got it. I got it on. Woohoo! Enjoy, guys. Bye. GoPro para video.